So, Honeygain pays you for something you're not even using, your unused internet bandwidth. Install it, let it run in the background, and it shares your idle data with businesses for market research and web intelligence. Sounds like the easiest passive income possible. But after digging through real user experiences over multiple weeks of actual use, the reality is a lot more mixed than the ads make it sound. Here's how it actually works. Once installed, Honeygain runs quietly. No clicking, no surveys, no tasks. It just shares small amounts of your unused bandwidth with verified partners. The minimum payout is $20, and once you hit that, you can cash out through PayPal or crypto. On legitimacy, this one's been around since 2019. That's real staying power in an industry full of apps that disappear within a year. And the majority of documented user reports confirm it does actually pay out. Multiple long-term users report successfully cashing out to PayPal repeatedly over months, sometimes years, without issues. So where's the disappointment? It's not the payout, it's the amount. Realistically, most users report earning somewhere between $5 and $25 a month, and that number depends heavily on where you live. If you're in the US or parts of Europe, demand for your IP address is higher, so you earn more. Outside those regions, some users report earning just a few dollars a month, barely moving the needle, even after weeks of running it constantly. There's also a real gotcha buried in the terms. Your earned credits expire after 6 months of account inactivity. That means if you install it, forget about it, and come back later expecting your balance, there's a real chance it's gone. Reviews are genuinely split depending on where you look. Some platforms show mostly positive experiences, steady payouts, simple process, no complaints. Others show real frustration, users who ran it for months on multiple devices and still didn't hit the minimum threshold, accounts flagged for using a VPN alongside the app, and complaints about PayPal withdrawal fees eating into already small payouts. So here's the honest 15-day reality most reviews skip. This isn't a scam. Real people get real payouts. But it's also not the easy passive income the marketing implies. You're trading a small amount of your internet bandwidth and privacy for what usually works out to a few dollars a month, sometimes less. If you're genuinely fine with that trade for basically zero effort, it's a reasonable low-stakes app to leave running. But if you're expecting anything close to meaningful income, or you live outside a high-demand region, the numbers here just don't support that expectation. That's the reality behind Honeygain. If you've used it yourself, drop your actual numbers in the comments. I'd love to see how it compares. See you in the next video.